Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PayPal account. To begin, you'll need to create a secure account by visiting the PayPal website or downloading the app. Provide your email address and choose a strong, unique password. Next, link a bank account or credit card to your PayPal profile. This allows you to easily send and receive money, as well as make online purchases. Finally, verify your identity to ensure full access to all of PayPal's features and higher transaction limits. Sending and receiving money with PayPal is straightforward. To send funds, simply enter the recipient's email address or phone number, the amount, and select the transaction type. For receiving money, you can share your PayPal email or send a payment request. Remember that while sending money to friends and family within your country from a linked bank account is usually free, transactions for goods and services or international transfers may incur a small fee, often around 2.9% plus 30 cents. PayPal makes online shopping incredibly secure and convenient. When checking out online, simply select PayPal as your payment method. You won't need to enter your credit card or bank details directly on every website, adding an extra layer of security. Furthermore, PayPal offers purchase protection on eligible items, meaning if your order doesn't arrive or isn't as described, you may be covered. This provides significant peace of mind when making purchases from various online stores. Effectively managing your PayPal account is crucial for a smooth experience. Regularly check your transaction history and account balance to monitor your spending and ensure everything looks correct. For enhanced security, always enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra step to verify your identity when logging in. If you ever encounter an issue, such as an unauthorized transaction or a dispute with a seller, utilize PayPal's Resolution Center for assistance and guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.